Okay, let's take a quick little tour of our service. Here you're going to take a look at the back office. As you'll notice right off the bat that this is a getting started page, and we have a simple step-by-step process to get you going right away and get you generating leads right away and help growing your list. And of course, once you do grow your list, you're going to grow your business no matter what business you're in. Now here you're going to see on the left hand side a simple concept of what our system does, and that right here is obviously getting started, which you're seeing right there. We got a nice getting started video to get you going. And then we have the second step, which is building a list of contacts. And when you click on this, it's going to show you exactly how you can do that, the different features of our service that help you build a list. And I'll show you something in just a second that's going to blow your mind and will help build your list very, very rapidly. Literally, the boss doesn't like me saying this, but you literally can start building your list minutes after signing up with our service if you get going right away. Let me just tell you also that yes, this is a tour video, but the best tour you can take is a free trial. There's absolutely no obligation, so why not take a free trial? Kick the tires, check it out. You like it, which I'm sure you will. You're going to want to keep it because I don't think you're going to find a lower cost marketing system that offers as much as we do. You might find something for less money. I haven't really seen anything out there for less, but you won't find anything that offers more for the amount that we charge. It's just unbelievable. And remember, we give you the ability to get it free very, very easily by referring others. The third step here in the process would be improving your relationship with your list. And here when you do that, it's going to show you how we do that and some of the features that we use to help you improve your relationship with your list. And last but not least is increasing exposure to your list of contacts and or prospects, making them more likely to do business with you or spend more money with you, depending on what you're selling, what your business is. Now, in our back office, you're going to notice that we have a lot to offer. But just like Microsoft Word has over 4,000 items that you can use when using Microsoft Word, you generally use just a handful of them, bolding, underline, bullet points, or whatever, what you're comfortable with. And the same thing goes here. Using any one of our features will help you grow your business. I'm going to show you one right now that literally is going to make you go wow, I think, because we unofficially call it our wow feature, because when people see it, they usually go, wow, how'd you do that? Now, if I go right under here under marketing, for instance, I go under our floating capture form simulator, I'm going to quickly create something for you. And here it's going to ask me for an address, but I like to go to the full simulator editor so you can get a full picture of how this is laid out. Again, everything we have within our system is step by step, and we have instructional videos on each and every one of our features. As you can see, the video icon right there, and it's very simple to follow. This is really an ABC 1, 2, 3 ease of use system when you take the time to watch a video and read a little bit of text. So just follow the simple steps 1, 2, 3, 4 as you see in this example right here, in creating this what we call our floating capture form simulator. So here, let's just do a test demo as the title for this, and then we're going to enter the website where we want this floating capture form to appear. This could be any website, including social media websites like Facebook and Twitter. So I'm going to do twitter.com/ESPN. And here, I'm going to create a unique address to use for this simulator. So I'm just going to put ESPN in here. Okay, and this is the domain name, and you can have one or several domain names that you can purchase, or you can create an unlimited amount of subdomains at no cost. And here we're going to select the form that we want to use for this floating capture form. And here there'll be a drop down in the menu of them. And let's just pick one here, one of our generic ones. Now you can, when you create these forms, you can change the headline, sub-headline, the video, all that stuff. But 1, 2, 3, I'm going to show you how quickly I created this simulator. Now when I click on this link here, it's it's going to take me to ESPN's Twitter page, which you're going to notice something pretty quickly. And boom, there you see on top of Twitter's ESPN's Twitter page, a floating capture form pops open on top of it. Now imagine this is your floating capture form with your headline, your sub-headline. And we have a full editor in here, by the way, so you can change the different sizes and fonts and all that other stuff. You could change the video in here. You don't even have to put a video if you don't want. You can change the text here, enter any fields you want, even making custom fields yourself, or don't even have a form in there. Just have the video if that's what you want. All of this can be edited very, very simply. Okay, and you'll notice also we have a share feature on here where people can quickly and easily share this on social media sites, up to 300 of them, very, very quickly and easily, or even just through their email. This is going to give you viral exposure for your business. But imagine you have your Facebook site, your Twitter site, your business web page or whatever, and you have this form suddenly appear on it, grabbing people's attention and then enticing them to enter their contact information to help you build your list by offering them some reason to put their information in there. When you have a captivating message in here, or you just maybe even have a funny video in there, or something that's entertaining or heart-wrenching or touching or whatever, well, people will see that and go, wow, that's really something. Let me go share that with others. And when they do that and they share it with others, anybody who enters their contact information in there, when it's being shared from person to person, you know how that works with emails. When you get emails and people forward them, same concept here, except now you have a form where people will be entering their information. And we have a library of these funny, humorous, religious, heartfelt videos in all different categories, so that you can leverage those as well, and people will share them. And when they do, you can put some captivating text in here to give them a reason to enter their information. And that's quality leads that you're going to be getting. But just again, imagine putting this on any one of your websites. Folks, this is just one of the many features you get with our system. So this alone is worth the price of admission, let alone the contact manager, the video and audio postcards, the autoresponder. And obviously most people have an autoresponder. They spend $20 to $30 a month just for that. The ability to create your own lead capture pages, sales pages, they even put PayPal buttons on them. The list goes on, including the training that we offer. That's absolutely no charge. We have a lot of features in here. What I suggest you do is wrap your mind around just a couple of them to start, like this floating capture form. And that's why I say literally within minutes you can start generating leads with our service, because as I showed you, I created this form to go on top of ESPN's Twitter site. Literally, I could do this in about 15 seconds. So if I did this on one of my own sites and I put it out there and people started visiting it, as they do, well, then they're going to see this and are much more likely to grab the attention and entice people to enter their information than if I had a static form on a brochure website, or no form at all, which many businesses are guilty of. So take the time again to review everything that you're going to see by taking a free trial. There's absolutely no obligation. You have a lot more time to review everything, so I suggest you do that right away. You'll be glad you did.